Hey, welcome to GiveMeApps here at Mall, the #1 independent app store. Today we're checking out Bestyn, Stay Connected with Neighbors by Bestyn Enterprises, LLC. This is for Android and iOS, both platforms. Guys, if you're looking for a social network that will allow you to share information with people directly near you or within a certain radius or even far away from you, this app would be it. We're talking about news, events, crimes, anything that would be newsworthy you can find in this app, or you can just use this network to communicate with people who have shared interests. There are a lot of social networks on the scene currently. There have been many, but there are always new ones on the horizon. And this one aspires to be the go-to app that you use if you want to inform your neighbors about important things that are going on. You can see here we're on the profile page. We're starting here because we're creating a business profile. This app allows you to do that. You can create a business profile, and if you look here, we have software as our business category. Now take a look down here. You have your visibility radius, only me, for free, 10 miles for free, or increased radius. So if you go for the paid option, you can have people discover you from anywhere. For purposes of this overview, we're going to go with the free option of 10 miles, so you can discover people 10 miles away from you with respect to businesses. We're going to tap on Create. It's going to create our business profile. And by the way, you have a regular profile. It is free to sign up. That's great, all right? So you have your business information and business images. I'm going to get out of here temporarily. Take a look at the main page over here. You have your feed. And of course, on every social network, there is a feed of sorts. You can take a look here at the top. You'll see different news items and clippings, if you want to call it that. You have all of these items in the feed here. You can see the person's profile or the business's profile. For example, we have Flex 7. You can see the post date. That's December 4:44 p.m. You can follow posts if you want to do that by simply tapping on follow. Once you do that, you are following the person. Of course, like most social networks, you can like or comment. You can see how many people are following that post there. And you also have hashtags that you can attach to any post. In this case, with these cute dogs, we see animals, dogs, and pets. And you can also scroll over to other images on that post. Nice touch. You can see that we followed this earlier and we actually left a comment there. It says nice, if you can see that. We're going to get out of this post for now. Take a look at some of the other posts that you see here. Now guys, this app is up and coming, so it will be populated over the next couple of months, but it is something to definitely keep on your radar. You can see different posts here, and take a look. We have the fire for the like, and you can choose one of these emojis to like or apply an emotion to that post. So we're going to go with the fire. We like that one the most, but you also have the happy face over there. The thundercloud, which is pretty unique. You have the 100, which is nice, or you can trash it. We're going to go with the fire. We like that a lot. And you can see now it has 2 fire posts over there. And you can respond. So we can simply tap on that. It says here, be the first to add a comment. We can type cute. We're going to do that. And you're going to see our comment pop up. Simply tap on the up arrow here, and then bang! It will be on that post. It's as simple as that, guys. And you can see that it has 1 comment now, and it says cute. That's what we just left there. All right. So imagine if there was an incident happening in your neighborhood and you wanted to let others be aware of that. And before I even go there, take a look at the top here. This is very nice, a nice touch. You can filter by hashtag. You have news as an example. You have events. You have offers. We like the offer section because you can use this then to sell products or sell your services. You can see stop sign for sale, $150. It must be a real stop sign. You have stuff like this refrigerator here for $1,600. So you can set a price. So this will be a nice way not only to exchange information, but if you are a business and want to sell products, you could use the Bestyn app for that. We're going to go back in there. Accidentally came out of the app for a second. Now, how do you get around on the app? You simply tap on your profile picture, which we set up, as you can see, and it's going to open up this menu here. You have a lot of things that you can do. You have a couple of options. You can, of course, you have your payment plans. Take a look at that. Your about, privacy policy, terms and conditions. You have profile settings. You can imagine what profile settings would do. We're going to go back in there again. And you can see we have our business profile there by tapping on that. We're going to expand the menu again. You have the home icon, which will take you to where we are. We're going to go back again. You have your chats. Now you see here it says you have no chats yet. So to get a chat, we need to go back. Okay, and we can simply tap on a profile. You can see here. This is Flex. Okay, so if you notice this business, it says here software company. You have the hashtags that apply to that business. You have business software, you have enterprise software, graphic software. That describes that business. You have the information about the business and the images of the business. You can see the Lex right there. But we can tap on message, and I'm simply going to say hello. I'm going to type that in there. And once we send that out, the person is going to receive that, obviously. We're going to tap on that arrow icon there, and you see we set a chat background, which is why you see the stars here. But you can see that the chat is there and it has been sent. You see the one check, just like some of the more popular social networks. Now, why are we showing you this? Because if you go into your chat area now, we're going to expand that window, tap on chat. You see that we have the chat right there in the list of chat and chats. And if we chatted with a bunch of people, users, you would see them stack there, and you can even search the chat. So we're going to show this function by following someone else. We have this 8YB person. We're going to message them and say, we are new here. We'll just type that in, we are new here. And if we do that, there it is. It has been sent. As you can see, we can go back to the main page. That's their business page. We can expand the menu, look at the chats, and then bang! You can see they stack right there. We have 2 chats, and we can search through the chats if we wanted to do that. Like most social networks, if there's a conversation you had 2 weeks back, you want to look for a word in that chat, you can use the search function to take care of that, okay? So, and here's the big one, guys, making a post. Now, you can create an offer. We're not going to do that one here. You can create news if you want to do that in an event, or a crime. And we do like the fact that you can add crimes here. So there are apps that are dedicated to that, but this shows you the versatility of this app. So we can have an incident address. We're going to just make one up. We'll go with 99 Fifth Avenue in New York City. Or we'll just come up, there you go, Village of Pelham. We have New York, First Avenue, fine. We'll say, we saw an incident. Now, obviously, we're making this up. If there was a real crime, you'd say something with more detail. So we're going to put that here, incident, and you can attach a photo if you want to do that. So we're going to select a photo from the gallery. We'll just take this over here, and there it is, and we can post it. Now, once it posts, and it's taking its time to post, once it posts, you'll have this crime show up in the crime category. And once you start searching for crimes, you'll see it there. Now look at that. We have the crime hashtag right there. And it says, we saw an incident, and it attaches the address. So if you were scrolling through your newsfeed and came across this, you would know either to let the authorities know, or you would know yourself to not go to that location, all right? And if we tap on the crimes category, take a look, our post is right there. If we go to offers, it disappears. We only see offers. So guys, we gave you a nice overview over the Bestyn app. We recommend checking it out. We love to promote new social networks here. It never stops. It's not like what's out today is what's going to be. There are always going to be new competitors on the horizon, and this looks pretty promising. Do check it out. It is free to install. It is free to use. There are some paid subscription plans, as you can imagine. Do let the developers know how they're doing. This is Bestyn Enterprise, LLC. It's a lifestyle app. You can find it for iOS and Android. It's getting great reviews. And it's moving up in the number of installs that have happened. So, guys, we hope you enjoyed this. We spent a good 8 minutes on this overview. We hope you enjoyed this app. Do let us know what you think about it. Download it. Let us know your thoughts. Guys, GiveMeApps is the world's #1 independent app store. There's no other app store out there that allows you to keep the full 100% of your profits if you are an app developer. If you love to check out apps, of course, you can find apps in every category, iOS, Android, even Windows Phone. GiveMeApps is that place. Guys, we hope you enjoyed this review as much as we did. Till next time.